Pablo Palacin. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer of Dynamical Tools. I'm the person responsible of all the things that covers the marketing. And Dynamical Tools is a Spanish enterprise that manufactures industrial 3D printers. And now I'm here in AdFab with Concept Store, that is one of our distributors in the north of France. Our DT600 is DT600 Plus. It's our best product. It's an industrial 3D printers that have two extruder, two independent extruder to work with 4 printing modes that can print big parts or produce prototype. They can print with different materials like PLA or ABS, and can print with technical material like carbon fiber and include Ultemp, PE, PIC, PPA or PPS. And this year we had DT Plus. Is an actualization that that improves the mobility of the machine and add some things like the automatic change of filaments, and I think it's a very good improvement for industrial sector. Well, France were our first steps to the internationalization plan, and I think French public is a good option for us. And I think we are very happy with the French companies, because we are having too much clients, too much people visiting our stands in France, in global industry here, last year in La Mêlée Numérique in Toulouse, and we are having too much leads to sell about 200 machines this year and next year in France, so I think we are very proud. We are covering Europe. Last month we will be in Fort Worth in Texas, and we are starting to sell in all Europe. We are starting to sell in North America, and we want to cover over the world.